I found these AI-generated Satisfactory anime reels on Instagram. This page has 210k plus followers and every video has more than 100k plus views. Some videos have gained over 15 million views. Here's another page that has 320k plus followers and millions of views. One video has 20 million views and the other has 59 million views. The shocking part is that it just has 53 posts. These reels are a little bit saturated on Instagram and Instagram doesn't give enough money to the creators, so you have to post them on TikTok and YouTube. Through the TikTok Creativity Program, you can earn a lot of money. If your country is not eligible for the TikTok Creativity Program, you can buy an already monetized account from me. The link is given in the description. Let's create them. I am using Leonardo AI for that. Through Leonardo, you can create images and also convert them into video. Otherwise, you can use these tools for image generation and to convert them into video. We have two ways to get images. First is simply click on this anime button, and you will find ready-made images that you can use freely. The second method is to use Leonardo's image generation and create your own image. I prefer this. Click on image generation. Here you need prompts for image generation. Here's a blog for you. There are 5 prompt templates with an example image. And if you are a beginner, here are 21 ready-made professional prompts. Copy a prompt from here. Now paste the prompt. In Models, select Leonardo Anime. And here also apply anime. Add some negative prompts for better results. Add at the left side, choose the number of images. Enable alchemy. Choose ratio 9:16 for TikTok videos. And hit generate. Now 4 images are generated. Select the best image. At the bottom, click on Alchemy Upscaler. It has increased the quality of the image. Close the image and click on Motion. The image is converted into video. Now we have to upgrade the quality of video, add music, and color grading. Open the browser and search for AI Video Enhancer. Open this Make website. Upload the video and it will enhance it automatically. You can also use CapCut Video Enhancer, which is totally free. Download the full video. Open any video editor. I am using CapCut. You can use CapCut on your phone or PC. Drag and drop the video to CapCut. Import it on the timeline. Click on Speed. Decrease the speed to 0.7. Click on Smooth Slow Mo, and choose Optical Flow. It may take some time. Then click on Adjustment. Here make the saturation full. Brilliance at -15. Sharpen at 10. Clarity at full. Before and after. Click on Sound and search for Lo-fi. Add music and adjust its duration. Then click on Export to save it. Here's the final result.